Hi, I'm Alex Oz, and I'm here to introduce the first of 3 screencasts regarding our brand new product, Slyde, the automated GUI testing framework for Java. For this first screencast, we're going to focus on the scripting language called Slyde rules. Our scripting language is divided into 3 main parts. The first part is the launcher, and that specifies how to start the target GUI application. Second part is a list of components, which tie user-friendly string IDs to matchers that allow locating a particular AWT component in the display hierarchy. And the third part of the scripts are setups, cases, and teardowns, each of which consists of the actual actions and results that are being checked during each test. All right. The first part of tests is the launcher. We have 2 main types of launchers. The first type is Java, and this launcher will call the specified main method as long as it's inside the current Java class path. You can see right here, for this example, it's org.slide.scripting.test.diceRollerAlpha. The second type of launchers that we have is the jar launcher. The jar launcher, like the Java launcher, will call the main method in any given class in any given jar file. Of course, the jar must be specified as runnable, so you should just be able to double-click on it and run it as usual. The second important part of Slyde rules is the component section. The components specifies a unique user-friendly string ID that can be used to differentiate between different widgets that you're going to be referencing later on in the script. The first part is the ID, and the second part is using any number of matchers that we have to coordinate that ID with a particular Java widget in the target GUI. You can see that right here. We can match by a class, particular class, or in addition to by string, which will look for that text in that object. Lastly, the most important part of tests are the cases themselves. Individual test cases, and a test can contain at least one. No, damn it! All right, I will. I got it. The most important component of tests is the cases. A test can contain any number of individual test cases, and each test case contains any number of results, action, and delay tags. Action tags can be one of 4 different things: a key press, a key string, a mouse click, or a select test. The key press simulates a key press on the target component of the key specified by the key attribute. A key string simulates the typing of a string specified by the string attribute into the target component of the key. A mouse click simulates a left mouse click on the center of the specified component, and select text selects a range of text in a component. The range attribute must either be the characters ALL, all, or a number to a particular number, where the first and second number are the first and last character indices of the particular selection that you want to do. The result tag represents an assertion that Slyde is doing to make sure that a particular value in a widget is what we expect it to be. There are 5 different types of results that can be applied. The first is selected, which will pass true if and only if the component is selected, and that is differentiated for different types of widgets by their own tester methods. Text equals, which passes if and only if the component's getText method returns the same string as the one given by the string attribute. Text matches, which passes if and only if the component's getText method returns a string matched by the regular expression given as the string attribute. And here we're using standard regular expression parsing, so you can do some really powerful stuff with it. Visible, and this passes if and only if the component is visible by just calling the isShowing method. The last and most powerful type of result that you can use is the oracle type. The oracle type polls the human oracle, or source of truth, on whether the current state is acceptable. This can be used for different results in your GUI that you may be not sure how to programmatically tell the computer whether or not it's right or not, so you use the human oracle to give you the right answer. That's basically the Slyde rules scripting language, the workhorse of our Slyde GUI testing framework for Java. I hope you enjoyed this screencast and are excited about episode 2 coming soon.